Welcome everyone to our deep dive into Vizard, where we are going to learn how to master your content creation workflow today. Whether you are brand new to editing or a seasoned pro, this session will show you how to turn long-form videos into viral clips. We are going to walk through the essential tools and actually build a polished clip together from start to finish. If you are worried that this will be as complex as professional industry software, don't worry, it is designed to be incredibly intuitive. We want to see where everyone is tuning in from today, so please drop your location in the chat box. By the end of this session, you will be comfortable navigating the interface and mastering AI-assisted editing. You will also learn how to set up continuous posting so your content goes out on autopilot, saving you massive amounts of time. Vizard is built to solve the major problem of having hours of raw footage that you simply do not have time to cut down manually. The platform automates the heavy lifting while still giving you total control to review and tweak every single detail before going live. On the left side of your screen, you will find the script and transcript area where your uploaded video is automatically processed. The center of your workspace is the timeline-free editor, where editing the text automatically edits the video content. On the right side, you have access to auto clip suggestions, audio cleanup tools, and your scheduling calendar. This transcript-first approach is so powerful that if you can edit a simple document, you can edit a professional video. Forget about complex waveform sleuthing. Just highlight a phrase, hit delete, and the corresponding audio and video are removed instantly. For those of you who really prefer the traditional editing style, a full timeline view is also available whenever you need it. One of the most popular features is our Rooms tool, which acts as a lightweight, high-quality recording studio right inside your browser. Record your multi-person conversations, and as soon as you stop, the files begin transcribing so you can edit immediately. Our transcription supports multiple languages and offers high accuracy for your creative projects. You can even use the glossary feature to add specific jargon or product names to ensure they are transcribed correctly every single time. Now, let's talk about the 3 superpowers that you will use daily, starting with our auto-edit feature for viral clips. The AI scans your long video for engagement signals like topic shifts and strong calls to action to find the best moments. You get a stack of ready-to-post clips, and you can either accept them instantly or cherry-pick and adjust the ones you like. This isn't just random cutting, it uses patterns from successful viral content to ensure your clips perform well. The second superpower is our auto-schedule tool, which lets you queue up your clips across multiple platforms automatically. You can define your own posting frequency, meaning you never have to be at your computer just to hit the publish button. Our third superpower is the content calendar, a central hub to see your schedule, edit upcoming posts, and repurpose content. This is perfect for teams because editors, copywriters, and managers can collaborate easily without emailing files back and forth. While other tools like Premiere Pro are powerful, they are often overkill if your main goal is simply to extract highlights. Vizard bridges the gap by offering quick auto clips and streamlined review features that other platforms simply do not prioritize. Your auto clips are completely customizable, meaning you can add captions, templates, and dynamic branding elements. You can save your logo, font preferences, and brand colors in a layout and apply them to all your clips instantly. Watch how quickly I can take a long conversation, find a punchy highlight, and refine it with a thumbnail in under 2 minutes. We also include a one-click audio cleanup tool that removes background noise and boosts vocal presence for a professional polish. If you have a global audience, you can even use our translation tools to create localized clips for your followers in other countries. The version history feature acts like a safety net, allowing you to easily revert to earlier edits if you change your mind. Before we wrap up, make sure to use the glossary to seed your proper nouns and repeated technical terms for better transcription. If you create podcasts, webinars, or long-form interviews, try setting up a free project and see what the AI generates for you. Thank you for hanging out with us, and we are going to jump into the Q&A section to answer your questions now. Go make your first clip today, and you will be absolutely surprised by how much content was hiding in that long recording.